Welcome back to our channel Wanderer Duo. In this video, we showcase some of our best winter drone shots from around Switzerland. There is something special about winter here that feels different from any other time. The light is softer, landscape more still, and the sound fades into the snow. You will see alpine landscapes from above, where even familiar places feel new from a different perspective. The air is crisp, the pace is slower, and in winter, the mountain feels more distant but somehow more honest. Whether it's a skier carving down an empty slope or a silent lake hidden in the trees, each shot tells a small part of what winter feels like here. Let's start with our first destination, Zermatt. Known for the iconic Matterhorn, Zermatt is one of those places everywhere you look feels like a postcard. One of the best ways to take in the views is by taking the Gornergrat railway. On its way, you can stop at this beautiful restaurant Adelberg for a peaceful coffee. Next we head to Koma Sea in the canton of Graubünden. Even in winter, this lake stands out with its deep turquoise water and surreal clarity. It's partially frozen with patches of ice floating on the surface, but the color still shines through. Surrounded by snow-covered forests, Caumasee feels almost hidden, like a quiet pocket of color in otherwise white landscape. Our next destination takes us into the majestic Brunni Oberland, to Adelboden Lake. Whether you are skiing or just out for a winter walk, the views feel expansive and calm, like the kind of place you could spend all day without checking the time. Our next destination is closer to home, a small but charming spot, Amden. Sitting on a sunny plateau above Lake Wallensee, Amden transforms into a peaceful winter retreat. It's a favorite for beginners and families, but also for anyone looking for a quiet kind of a day in the snow. We head deeper into the Glarus region, to the car-free mountain village of Braunwald. Tucked away high above the valley, Braunwald is only reachable by the funicular, which adds to the sense of stepping away from it all. Our next stop is Flumserberg, a favorite ski resort for many living in and around Zurich. From above, you can see the full stretch of the resort, lifts climbing steadily, white piste, and Lake Wallen down below. As you are seeing already with the stunning drone shots, it's a mix of convenience and stunning scenery. And this is what makes it popular among Zurichers for a weekend escape. That's me skiing down a slope in Flumserberg. Next comes Brunni Alpthal, a small postcard perfect resort with gorgeous views of the Maitri. This is actually where we learn to ski. It's a quiet, beginner friendly area where everything feels close by and relaxed. It may be small, but for us, it's where our journey into skiing world started, and we will always come back to this place with a bit of nostalgia. From one local favorite to another, our next stop is Hoki-Break. Set between forested ridges and sharp alpine peaks, this resort offers wide, open terrain and some of the surprisingly steep slopes in the region. Hoki Break is a classic Swiss skiing town. Bold, scenic, and a bit more challenging than it first appears. Next up is Pisol, located above the Rhine Valley in eastern Switzerland. The forest runs here are stunning, especially when fresh snow still clings to the pines, turning every corner into its own postcard. Our next stop is Chample-Lac in the canton of Valais. What makes this lake truly unique is the official winter hiking trail crosses right over the lake. We were lucky to find a mountain chalet to stay in for the night, simple, quiet and completely tucked away. Our final stop takes us to the Pratiga Valley. We came here for a winter hike. It was one of the quietest, most peaceful part of our journey. The valley feels more remote, less about resorts, and more about open spaces, forest paths, and scattered alpine farms. That brings us to the end of this winter journey. Each of these places gave us something different, a view, a memory, a quiet moment. On Wanderer Duo, we share our travels, unique experiences, and the places that are a little off the beaten path. If that sounds like your kind of thing, consider subscribing. Wherever you are, we hope you find a bit of winter peace too. Thanks for watching.